It's very satisfying and fun. Hi friends, Miss Hazel here.
And Miss Kate.
Yes, here with another super fun, kind of pretty easy thing to do at home that is inspired by someone that works with us, Miss Joanna. Her boys, Malik and Kiele, did this at their school and she brought it in to show us, and I thought this is so cool. So it is kind of pretty easy. It's I'll show you how to do it. We used school glue, Elmer's brand this time, and Miss Kate made this for us, and she took the container of glue and squirted in some black acrylic paint, and then you shaky, and then you have black, really cool glue that you can paint on. Look at it in the light. Isn't that cool? You could hang this in a window at your house. We used a page protector. It's just your regular old page protector. And then you open the glue and you draw some kind of design. I'm just going to do sort of freestyle.
Like a squiggle?
Yeah, I'm going to do kind of a squiggle. I'm going to take my glue for a walk. Now, here's the thing. You don't want giant puddles, so keep your glue moving. It's very satisfying and fun. I'm imagining that each of these little compartments I can make a different color when I paint it. Oh, it's very fun. And then I'm imagining how big I want it to be, like in my window. You can make a design. You could do like a flower. You could kind of see it's looking flowerish in some places.
And you could do it like for holidays too, you think? Like
Yes, you could,
Valentine's
Miss
Day.
Kate. Yes. And I feel like I like that just like it is. So that was pretty easy, and that part is done. So I'm going to put that over here to dry. It dries pretty quickly, but if you have big puddles, they'll take longer. But then you're going to leave that to dry, which I did this one a couple of days ago. Look at that. Is that cool? And it dried. It sort of starts to lift off the paper a little bit, but you just can leave it. And then this one was another example. I did a pumpkin. You could do Christmassy things. You could do Hanukkah, Star of David. Like you could just do a flower. You could do this any time of year. And then I'm going to use permanent markers, and then you just kind of color it in. Isn't that fun?
That is really
And it's fun to color it on it feels really kind of satisfying on that. So that is how you're going to do it, your own do-it-yourself stained glass. And it's really kind of easy, and I'm thinking kind of fun. I am going to hang it out, but I did forget to do something.
Oh, cut it out.
After I made it, because this is 2 layers, right? It's 2 layers. So I'm going to show you. You could do this before or after you paint. I just got my scissors out. I knew that I had the scissors there for a reason. But I'm going to just make a trim around the edge. On the top, I think I'm going to leave a little extra so I've got some place to tape it. And then it just separates out. And that is so cool. So there you have it, DIY stained glass. Kind of easy and fun to do at home.
So fun.
Yeah, thanks for joining us. It was really nice hanging out with you today. Bye, friends.